At this point, I've gotten the model from engineering, and I take it into BobCAD, and I will basically make a program out of this. For instance, I'll need to cut this chamber at some point. If you can see this, I've got a toolpath set up already, and I can visually see in the machine if it's going to be, if it's going to interfere with anything, or crash, or anything like that. And so far, it looks like it's going to be good. So at this point, I can take this program, create a post, make a program, and take it into the CNC. Okay, so I simulated the part, got it programmed, and created this program. And now I put it in the machine, and we're ready to run.